Good evening, parents and children. Greetings from Little Tiger Preschool. Trust you and everyone at home are well and safe. Glad we are able to reach out to you through online classes. Today we are going to learn our phonic sounds from A to Z. This is the letter A. A sound is A. A, A, apple. A, A, anchor. A, A, ankle. A, A, ant. A, A, apricot. A, A, arrow. This is the letter A. A sound is A. Come on, let's say it with me. A, A, apple. A, A, anchor. A, A, ankle. A, A, ant. A, A, arrow. A, A, apricot. This is the letter B. B sound is B. B, B, bell. B, B, boy. B, B, book. B, B, boat. B, B, banana. This is the letter B. B sound is B. Let's say it with me. B, B, bell. B, B, boy. B, B, book. B, B, boat. B, B, banana. This is the letter C. C sound is K. K, K, cow. K, K, cat. K, K, cake. K, K, corn. K, K, camel. This is the letter C. C sound is K. Let's say it with me. K, K, cow. K, K, cat. K, K, cake. K, K, corn. K, K, camel. This is the letter D. D sound is D. D, D, door. D, D, dog. D, D, duck. D, D, drum. D, D, deer. This is the letter D. D sound is D. Let's say it with me. D, D, door. D, D, dog. D, D, duck. D, D, drum. D, D, deer. This is the letter E. E sound is E. E, E, egg. E, E, elbow. E, E, eraser. E, E, elephant. E, E, excavator. E, E, engine. This is the letter E. E sound is E. Let's say it with me. E, E, egg. E, E, elbow. E, E, eraser. E, E, elephant. E, E, excavator. E, E, engine. This is the letter F. F sound is F. F, F, fan. F, F, frog. F, F, fox. F, F, fish. This is the letter F. F sound is F. Let's say it with me. F, F, fan. F, F, frog. F, F, fox. F, F, fish. This is the letter G. G sound is G. G, G, goat. G, G, girl. G, G, gift. G, G, gate. G, G, grapes. This is the letter G. G sound is G. Let's say it with me. G, g, goat. G, g, girl. G, g, gift. G, g, gate. G, g, grapes. Our last letter. This is the letter H. H sound is H. H, H, horse. H, H, hat. H, H, hammer. H, H, hand. H, H, hen. H, H, house. This is the letter H. H sound is H. Let's say it with me. H, H, horse. H, H, hat. H, H, hammer. H, H, hand. H, H, hen. H, H, house. This is the letter I. I sound is injection. Ink. Igloo. Infant. Insect. This is the letter I. I sound is Say it with me. Injection. Ink. Igloo. Infant. Insect. This is the letter J. J sound is J. J, j, jug. J, j, jam. J, j, jelly. J, j, jacket. J, j, jaguar. This is the letter J. J sound is J. Say it with me. J, j, jug. J, j, jam. J, j, jelly. J, j, jacket. J, j, jaguar. This is the letter K. K sound is K. K, K, kennel. K, K, kettle. K, K, kangaroo. K, K, key. K, K, kite. This is the letter K. K sound is K. K. Say it with me. K, K, kennel. K, K, kettle. K, K, kangaroo. K, K, key. K, K, kite. This is the letter L. L sound is L. L, L, lock. L, L, lamp. L, L, log. L, L, ladder. L, L, lamb. This is the letter L. L sound is L. Say it with me. L, L, lock. L, L, lamp. L, L, log. L, L, ladder. L, L, lamb. This is the letter M. M sound is M. M, M, milk. M, M, mango. M, M, moon. M, M, monkey. M, M, musician. This is the letter M. M sound is M. Say it with me. M, M, milk. M, M, mango. M, M, moon. M, M, monkey. M, M, musician. This is the letter N. N sound is N. N, N, net. N, N, nurse. N, N, nose. N, N, nail. N, N, nest. This is the letter N. N sound is N. Say it with me. N, N, net. N, nurse. N, nose. N, nail. N, nest. This is the letter O. O sound is O. O, orange. O, orchid. O, ox. O, octopus. O, octagon. This is the letter O. O sound is O. Say it with me. O, orange. O, orchid. O, ox. O, octopus. O, octagon. This is the letter P. P sound is P. P, parrot. P, penguin. P, potter. P, potato. P, plant. P, pond. This is the letter P. P sound is P. Say it with me. P, parrot. P, penguin. P, potter. P, potato. P, plant. P, pond. This is the letter Q. Q sound is Qu. Qu, quilt. Qu, quill. Qu, question. Qu, queen. Qu, quail. This is the letter Q. Q sound is Qu. Say it with me. Qu, quilt. Qu, quill. Qu, question. Qu, queen. Qu, quail. This is the letter R. R sound is R. Rooster. R, rabbit. R, rat. R, river. R, road. R, rainbow. This is the letter R. R sound is R. Say it with me. R, rooster. R, rabbit. R, rat. R, river. R, road. R, rainbow. This is the letter S. S sound is S. Slippers. S, seal. S, sandwich. S, socks. S, snake. S, star. This is the letter S. S sound is S. Say it with me. S, slipper. S, seal. S, sandwich. S, socks. S, snake. S, star. This is the letter T. T sound is T. Toy. T, top. T, tiger. T, tent. T, table. T, truck. This is the letter T. T sound is T. Say it with me. T, toy. T, top. T, tiger. T, tent. T, table. T, truck. This is the letter U. U sound is A. Umbrella. Urn. Up. Upset. This is the letter U. U sound is A. Umbrella. Urn. Upset. Up. This is the letter V. V sound is V. Vase. Vulture. Vegetables. Van. Violin. This is the letter V. V sound is V. Say it with me. Vase. Vulture. Vegetables. Van. Violin. This is the letter W. W sound is watermelon. Wall. Wallet. Wheel. Wolf. Watch. This is the letter W. W sound is watermelon. Wall. Wallet. Wheel. Wolf. Watch. This is the letter X. X sound is X. Six. Fox. Wax. Ox. Box. This is the letter X. X sound is X. Six. Fox. Wax. Ox. Box. This is the letter Y. Y sound is Y. Yellow. Yacht. Yak. Yolk. Yoga. This is the letter Y. Y sound is Y. Say it with me. Yellow. Yacht. Yak. Yolk. Yoga. This is the letter Z. Z sound is zero. Zigzag. Zebra. Zip. Zucchini. This is the letter Z. Z sound is Z. Say it with me. Zero. Zigzag. Zebra. Zip. Zucchini. Thank you for watching the video.